Hey there, future homeowners and service sellers. If you are on the brink of a home sale or you're just looking to boost your property's value, you are in the right place today. I'm KG, your friendly neighborhood realtor, and today I'm diving into the nitty gritty of remodeling. If you ever wonder which renovation a home run for resale value and which might be a swing I may stick around because I've got the lowdown. But before we jump into this remodel, if you're a homeowner and thinking about selling, I've got a special invitation for you. Whether you are in the early stages or ready to make that move, I'm here to offer personalized advice tailored specifically to your property. So you want to stick with me till the end so that I can tell you how to get in touch with me. Of course, you can respond to my email. Now, let's talk about the good stuff. From kitchen to curb appeal, I'm breaking down 5 remodels that can skyrocket your home's resale value. These are not just trends. I'm not talking about trends. I'm talking about proven strategies to make potential buyers fall in love with your house and why you're enjoying it. Kitchen updates, the first one. Updating a tired old kitchen is one of the wisest methods of increasing your own value. So when planning a kitchen remodel and making design decision in your selection of plumbing fixtures, appliances, cabinets, countertop materials, all those things, you want to determine whether you are prioritizing your own design aesthetic, nothing wrong in it, or you're prioritizing on return on your investment. Either priority is perfectly acceptable, but you want to understand so that you can strike a balance. You can do this, you can do both at the same time so that you enjoy the house, but at the same time you're able to make this investment return on your investment. So let me give you an example. Using an existing kitchen layout and using affordable cosmetic material is a sure way to keep the cost of your kitchen remodel manageable. However, when you start tearing out walls, bumping exterior, getting a few feet and moving plumbing fixtures, the cost of your remodel will jump up and you may not recoup all that money. So you want to be aware. Second, adding living space. A straightforward addition of new living room space is typically a good investment. Newly added square footage generally increases your home value. So, when you do that, there are certain costs that will be associated with your addition regardless of the size, right? New square footage may require demolition of an existing exterior wall, a new foundation, a new roof, a new exterior siding, and probably a new window. So if you are going to incur these expenses, it is very, very important to get some bang for your buck. So what am I talking about? So you want to make sure the room size is big enough so that it can be used efficiently. Number 3, curb appeal. Your front elevation is more than just the first impression. It is probably one of the first available things to boost your home's potential value and for seller buyers to look at it. The good news is there are many affordable projects that can improve your curb appeal, and some more expensive than the other. And some can really pay off quickly. So let's talk about it. Simply cleaning out overgrown bushes and making a few planting additions to your landscape can go a long way towards improving your curb appeal at a very low cost. Another one is repainting, which is a low cost, high impact improvement. Costlier changes such as changing out windows or old entry doors are things that can potentially entice buyer and add value as well. The fourth is the primary suites. Primary suites are decisions that really stand out. Adults want to be in an environment that makes them look good. So updating a primary bedroom and remodeling and adding a new suite is the money well spent. Buyers can picture themselves living in that private suite, and it is the money that will return back to you. Number 5, bathrooms. Home buyers notice bathroom. All right. Although all the bathrooms are important, so if you're going to renovate, a priority should be placed on the powder room and the master bathroom, then followed by the guest bathroom and any other secondary bathroom. The same rules of applies to kitchen also apply to bathroom. Cosmetic changes are safe from investment points of view, but when you start making big modification, including layout, addition, can result really in inefficient expenses, but you may not get that money back. But hold on, because I'm not just here to talk about what works. I'm spilling the bean on 5 remodeling projects that might not give you the bang for your money back. So let's talk about these negative pitfalls so that you ensure your investment payoffs. The number one is in-ground pool. While a pool might seem enticing, it can be a hit or a miss. Maintenance costs and limited usability in certain climates might not justify the investment. Second, overly personalized room. So, highly unique or theme room may not resonate with potential buyers. So you want to keep your design neutral to appeal to a broader audience. Number 3, high-end appliances in mid-range neighborhoods. So investing in top-of-the-line appliances in an area with predominantly mid-range homes may not yield a significant return. Number 5, DIY room conversion. So if you're doing DIY, converting room to specialized spaces like gyms or home office, that might limit the appeal for buyers for looking for more living spaces. 5th, over improving for the neighborhood. While improvements are essential, your home may be over improved compared to others in the neighborhood, and when that happens, you will not get the proportional increase in resale value. So you want to stay within the local market, and here is where you come in. So if you're a homeowner with a question, contemplating a sale, or just curious about the real estate game, hit that button to subscribe. Don't miss out on future tips and real life success story. I've got treasure trove of real estate wisdom coming your way. So, are you ready to elevate your home resale game? Subscribe now. Drop me a comment with your any burning question. Let's embark on this journey together. I'm KG.